Hi everybody, I'm back. Been away for a long time. The workload has been out of this world. But the school holidays are here now, so it gives me a chance to come back and make some videos. So let's run that intro and then we'll get on with things. Okay, so the title of this video is the 2-week challenge. 2 weeks. What's it mean? Right, a couple of things. First of all, now the workload's died down, I'm going to try and make a video every day for 2 weeks. And it's going to be hard, but because I've still got work to do, but I'm going to try and do it. The second thing I'm doing is next year I want to go parachuting again. Many years ago I used to jump out of aeroplanes for a living, and I've got the bug again, so I want to do it, but all this has got to go. So I've got to lose some weight, so I'm on a 2-week fitness challenge to lose as much weight as I can. At the moment I weigh, I don't know, way too much, but I weighed myself this morning and I'll put the weight down here in stones and pounds for you English, and kilos for you people that deal in kilos. People that work in pounds, you're gonna have to work that one out yourself. Okay, 14 pounds to a stone, dead easy. Okay, so it's a fitness challenge as well. Now you're saying, what's that got to do with dreadlocks? Quite simple. If you're doing a fitness challenge, especially when it's nice and warm and hot like it is at the moment, it means you've got to wash your hair a lot. So instead of washing my hair every week and a half, 2 weeks, I'm probably going to be washing my hair every other day because I'm going to be a bit warm and sweaty. So we'll be able to see how my dreadlocks hold up to the constant washing. And it's always worth having a look at, you know, because some people like to wash their hair fairly regular. Some people don't wash it at all, and I can't do that. In the summer, especially when it's sweaty, I need to get my hair washed. So we'll have a look at how often I'm washing my hair and what effect it has on my dreads. Okay, so we've spoke about washing my dreads every couple of days. The next thing I'm going to talk about is how I'm going to lose the weight. I'm going to do some exercise. God, this is going to kill me. I'm going to do some exercise. Some days I'm going to go to the gym when the weather's not so good, and when the weather's nice like it is today, I'm going to put my walking shoes on and I'm going to go out and walk about 4 or 5 miles a day, see if I can walk some of this weight off. Diet. My diet is going to change. Instead of eating all the crap, I am going on a keto style diet, which is very low carb, high fat. It's not the fat that makes you fat, it's the carbohydrates. So this is day 1 of my 2-week challenge. And it's nice, so I'm going for a walk. I'm in my favourite place, Clumber Park, so I'm going to go and have a walk around the lake, which is about, I think it's either 4 or 5 miles, something like that, but I've got my Galaxy watch on, which will record how far I've walked. I'll take a few videos while I'm walking around so you can see how I'm doing. You can see the sweat pouring off my face. How long I'm going to end up wearing the tam, I don't know, but you'll be able to see how things go. And I'll give you the thumbs up or the thumbs down on how I'm feeling. So let's get walking and I will see you very shortly. Bit different to usual video, isn't it? But there you go. So we're 12 minutes into this walk. I've still managed to keep the tam on, but I am sweating. How much longer it'll be there, I have no idea. But time will tell. I'm doing some puffing and panting. I'm out of condition and overweight. But we're aiming to change that, aren't we? Okay, see you in a little bit. Get a bit further down the beaten track. So we're 20 minutes into it at the moment. Done about a mile or so. Yeah, this is killing. Yeah, dreads are fine, but it's me, I'm dying. We'll see how the dreads get on at the end of the day. I'm sure they're going to be okay though. Now, might be a different tale about me. So nearly halfway around now. I've got to the famous Clumber Bridge that was vandalised by some idiots. Costing so many million to repair it because of the stone. World's full of... no, we'll not go there. Anyway, nearly halfway around. The tan will be coming off very, very shortly. Starting to get a bit of a dab on now. I'll show you a view down the lake anyway off the bridge if I can. See you in a minute. This is a view of Clumber Lake from the bridge down towards the church. We're going to be walking past there very, very shortly. It's now time for the cam to come off. Ah, there you go. Good bit of sweat. Right, let's carry on walking. Walking in the shade for a little bit. God, it's bloody warm in this sunshine. Definitely. Back in the sun in 5 minutes, we'll be sweating even more then. Okay, been walking 50 minutes now. Got a nice cool breeze on me, which is absolutely fantastic because I'm definitely warm. But the dreads are holding up. It must be the new trainers I bought for them. Seem to be doing well. I'm only kidding, I haven't bought trainers for the dreads. Right, off we go, onwards and upwards. Well, that's it, I'm nearly all the way around now. Got about 400 or 500 yards to walk, and then I'm going to sit down and I'm going to have a nice cup of coffee and chill for 10 minutes. So I'll see you when I get there. Yeah, I am sweating though. Okay, so I'm back at the car now. Absolutely lathered, as you can see. I've done 3.3 miles in 1 hour and 11 minutes, which is not fantastic, but when you take into account I'm just slightly over 21 and it's bloody red hot today, so I can't complain. My feet are a bit sore, so I need to toughen my feet up a bit more, get them in some vinegar or something. But other than that, not bad. If the sun's shining tomorrow, I shall walk. If it's not so good, I shall go to the gym. Now don't worry, not all my videos are going to be about losing weight and everything else. The majority of them is going to be about dreadlocks. So I look forward to seeing you on the next one. Please give it a thumbs up, please subscribe, and hopefully, oh, don't forget, ring that bell. I'm not even going to guess what side it's on today. Ring that bell and I will see you hopefully on the next one. Just one last thing to say. As I've been going around, I've been taking photos of where I'm walking, you know, a few scenic shots, and I'm putting them in the video, or I've put them in the video. If you like this kind of thing, please let me know, and if you don't, you're not interested, let me know that as well and I won't do it. Majority rules. Okay? Right, see you soon. Bye bye.